Hey, I am Dorpan Powder, back with the new video. Okay, so this is a part 3. If you have not watched part 1 and part 2, you can go to iBottom. So also I am putting one playlist name. You can go to technical videos. You can find playlist in iBottom. Go to the technical videos and you can join every MySQL playlist. So I am creating a new playlist that is MySQL, so you can go in that playlist and watch every video and complete your MySQL tutorial. I will produce video daily in one days. Almost 100 videos maybe uploaded. So we are in now part 3. So today now we are going to run about an or operator and not operator. So let's first of all let's do the program. Select straight from customers. So we want to get from customers, then we will just do from customers, then where. So now we can get different types of operator: arithmetic operator, logical operator. So for example, now first of all we will do logical operator. For example, where let's go to customers. So where customer ID, sorry, where now we can do like this, where birth date is more or equal to so we can put our baud rate more or than equal to 1980 0000, then asterisk. So now like this, and now operator we can use. And if we don't use operator, then also no problem, like this data will upload it. The person greater than 1980 are only shown. So look, and now we can do AND operator, and we can do state is equals to VA. Then when we do, then we can see only the person state VA which birth date is more than 9080. Yes, so these are the some of the simple programming. Now let's go to 15. So in this 15 number also, now we can use two operator. They be complex form. So operating it with two operator we can do like this. Select. So we want to select from customers. Okay, and from customers f1 from space customers, then press enter. Now we want to do three things. First of all, we want to put state VA, that means Virginia. Also we want to put more than 9080. For example, we should I think Control plus C is better to do. Okay, let's delete this. Okay, and now paste this. Now here we can see baud date is greater or equal to this, and state equal to BR. Also we can use OR operator. In OR operator we can put space or means it may be or not. So for example, if we upload here, if we put OR, then so okay, then now check here. So we can see less than 1980 or so, I think. No. So these are the some of data. So for example, look, why this other state is equal to BA, but look, only one is state is BA, but why others is coming? Because OR is used to make two. So there is more than 1980. Everyone is more than 1980. So they are in the list. If we leave this, or if we put any statement, then only this BA will only come. So this is the differences between. And also we can use here and also, so like this. And also we can use OR statement also here. So OR. Now what can we do? So what we want to do, or points is equal to points is greater or points is greater than 2000. We know that is only this is only greater than 2000. So we can do 2272. Okay, so now let's check it. Control shift enter. Okay, now we can look different types of. First of all, look, state is equals to behavior, so we are founding. Points greater than this also founding. So but if we do every and then look what will happen. Data will come null, no data will come. Look, I know because this is a error. So control shift enter. So this is the programming and or operator. Now not operator comes in the line. Yes, this is the example of not operator. So from customer. So now let's remove this. First of all, let's remove this. So we can put braces for making good one. So this was our program. Yes, just now we do where both date is greater or equal to this date or points is greater or equal to 1000. Now when we put here not, then what happens is it does not look to the both date. For example, not, then this comes, so it does not focus to both. Look, control shift enter, so it only focus to points more than 1000. So it only focus to point more than 1000. Look, only it focus to this. It doesn't focus to 1990 because we can see a 1985 also writes because we give the not operator. But if we give this not operator in here, okay, not operator here, and let's remove this non operator here. We can remove non-operator in here and control shift enter. Okay, then we can see that with both is more than 1919. So we can okay, and so we should use, and now we can see with both is more than 1919 only, I think. Yes, and the points is greater. The points is not focus out. Look, points are not focus out. So this is the simple model of programming. SQL file 17, we can go to 17 also now. So this is easy to file 18, 19. So this is one of the very easy file that we are doing. First of all, now we are going to do a little bit advanced file, select asterisk of Control Z. This was our program. Yes, first of all, from other items, from id other id is 6, that means other items. This is other items. Okay, open it, come on, other items, open. So when we open these other items, we can get other id, product id. So for example, this is very easy. So for example, we want to print out the products of every for example, we want to print out the total. For example, we want to print out the number 6. We want to print out the number 6 in which the number 6 have some condition like the total price must be greater than 1000. Total price must be greater than 3000. So how to calculate total price? So for this I have select asterisk, so we can do this. Now first of all, let's open. Okay, select the asterisk, then we can write from other items. So just watch this video. Okay, you will understand from other items. Now what can we do? Where we can, if we multiply quantity into unit price, then we can get it. So mathematical simple formula, unit price multiply quantity, then we can get the total. So first of all, let's write our programming where first of all write product id order id equals to 6 equal to no 6 and unit price into quantity, that means total must be greater than 3000. So this is a simple programming that we have done. Control shift enter. So it okay. So from order items, spelling error, no, order id, okay, is equal to 6 and unit price into quantity spelling wrong, quantity, okay, here's spelling error. Control shift. Now we can get null because why? Because we cannot find any number 6 there. So I think let's change product id. product id, product id. Then now also we can see other id. So what is the funky things happening? Other id control shift enter, so nothing is occurring. And unit price is greater than, let's print or control shift enter. So now when we use or, we can see the order id 6, whose id is 6 or whose quantity is greater than 3000. So is we cannot get the quantity greater than 3000, but let's try little bit some small digit like 20, like 10 1. If we print 1, sorry, little bit 9, I think 10, and let's put here and control shift enter, then it will data will be very same, but its quantity will also more than 10, so it's very easy to run. Also we can put as here, this as total price, like this, total underscore price, control shift enter, look. Don't do this, don't like this, okay. Okay, for this we have a better idea. For this I have a next idea. So for this, leave this as default. So just we complete our course, and operator, not operator, not operator. This was course. I hope you like the video. Subscribe, watch part 1, part 2, part 3, watch full playlist. This is for you guys.